So sometimes the job becomes a little more complicated. So that thermostat requires 5 wires. I have here on the furnace, I have 4 wires going that are in use. I don't have anything connected to the C. I don't know if you can see the color code there on that terminal strip, but it's got GCWYR, and the C, second terminal from the top. I've got the wire here going out to my outside unit, but here the wires going to the thermostat. I've got all these unused wires, so I need one for C. So what I'll do is connect one of these unused wires. So again, by using the Google, commonly C would be the blue wire. Since I have a blue wire here not in use, I will strip that back and connect it to C here, and then I will use that as my C wire on the other end.